Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, I'm going to be putting to test makeup that claims to wear for 24 hours. So let's get started. So I saw this video by James Charles where he puts to test makeup overnight to see how it performs in his sleep, which seems a little extreme because as you can see, my bed is very beige and white. So I'm a little scared for my sheets and my bed, but I feel like it's going to be a very exciting video because I have used this makeup before for like 6 hours, 8 hours at the max, but we're going to test it overnight in my sleep, which can get messy. So stay tuned to find out how the makeup performs. So I did my skincare couple of hours ago just because I didn't want any product base. I just wanted my skin to be a little protected for today. So we're starting with foundation. For foundation, I found this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour tinted serum. It's a skin tint. It's really nice. I don't love the applicator of it, but as a product, it's really good. It's very long wearing and it looks like second skin. Ew, it's just a messy applicator. I'm sure you've seen like a lot of people using this all over the internet, including myself, because I do love this product, but I have not worn it overnight ever. You can see the coverage also it gives is quite good. Up next, we're going to set everything with a powder, which is definitely a must-have. I'm using the same L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation powder. So we do get a little more coverage and it will set everything in place as well. It's actually been far too long since I've used this powder. I don't remember how it performs. Okay, that's amazing. Because I have genetic dark circles, I literally thought मैं कभी भी concealer और color corrector के बिना makeup नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but this combination is kind of killer. Also, I just want to clarify this video is not sponsored by L'Oreal, but oh my god, they do have a lot of long wearing products. So when I was like doing my research on Nykaa also, like they kept popping up over and over again. So yeah. Basically, I'm just powdering the areas that I would usually conceal and I'm leaving the rest of the skin just bare. Up next, we have the very viral Maybelline Sun Kisser blush. This is the hazy matte variant and I know these ones are very pigmented and super long lasting. I love this hot orange coral shade, like I use it very often. Who is wearing their makeup for 12 plus hours? Please tell me. Like when I was thinking about this also, I was like, kaun pehenta hai? The only thing I could come up with was air hostess. Like yes, they probably wear their makeup for far too long because like they're always so good looking, but who else probably needs 12 hours worth of makeup? Actors maybe at some point during shoots. That's it. The blush is actually matte, but I think the skin tint is giving it a nice sheen wala finish, which I actually love, so I'm not complaining at all. Nice. Next, we have the Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. This is actually a brow wax that I use every day, and I didn't know it's like one of these long wearing formulas because I honestly didn't think it's long wearing. I feel like it's good for like a first few hours, but not an overnight scene. So this product, though, I'm definitely like betting against that this will not keep my brows like upwards for so long, especially when you're sleeping and all. Next for eyes, we have the K by Katrina 24-hour Kohl Kajal. I'm thinking I want to wear this as an eyeliner actually because I just feel like it's too much to wear like something inside my eyes and then sleep in it. If I break out after this video, like please support me guys. Also, you guys better subscribe to my channel because at this point I'm not just like testing makeup, I'm putting my skin at risk, and you saw my skin is doing pretty well these days. I just hope I don't get like a big flare up or anything. Really hope I don't. Why am I trying to perfect the wing liner? I'm going to sleep. I'm literally going to sleep. अभी तो ये smudge हो रही है, so I am little concerned because it is smudging. But it's not the most perfect wing liner job, but it doesn't matter. Up next, we have mascara. We have the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I have used this before. It is a great product. But like, again, I don't know if this is an overnight sort of situation. Acha hai, but I never expected it to be that long lasting. I'm also putting it on my bottom lashes so we can test it in the morning. Tomorrow afternoon, I'm gonna have to exfoliate my skin so hard just to make sure nothing is clogging my pores. Mascara is on. Last thing we've got is a lipstick. This is a new formula by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. It's actually very pretty. Should wipe my lip balm. It's definitely not my shade, but it feels very feather-like, like lightweight. Nice. And lastly, to lock everything in place, we've got the PAC 24-hour setting spray. This is also India's first patented bridal makeup fixer formula. So brides, if you're watching, I'm really putting it to the test for you. हद से ज़्यादा लगा दिया है because I really don't want my bed sheets and pillow covers to become dirty. It still feels very lightweight on my skin. Like, I just opened my eyes and realized that it's looking like a lot, but it does not feel like a lot at all. Okay, this is my before. I think it looks very nice and dewy, and honestly quite impressed that I'm not wearing any concealer. That is like something that is actually blowing my mind. Everything else looks good. We feel dry. I will go to sleep and see you guys tomorrow. I'm in bed since 30 minutes, but I can't sleep because it just feels wrong to sleep. I'm going to take my makeup off, but I can't. Ooh.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys. I look very put together because my hair is done, because I tried a heatless curl method overnight as well, which was actually kind of good. So yeah, and speaking of the makeup, what the hell is happening? Nothing has moved. The blush is intact, the tint is intact, the lipstick is intact, the eyeliner is light but it's still intact, the brows are intact, even the under eyes have creased. Definitely they have creased, but it's not bad for someone who has slept in their makeup. This is not bad at all, and nothing is dirty. I woke up and that was the first thing I saw, and in fact overnight I was feeling so anxious. I kept waking up because I was like, I'm gonna ruin everything. Every time my blanket touched my face, I was like, I'm gonna ruin it, but nothing has moved. Like, you can see the blush. I think the only thing that has disappeared is the glow, but that is also there like that though. All the makeup that we've used is freaking fabulous. The only thing that I also felt was that my texture, you see the under eyes and the pores, that bit is exaggerated a bit. So yeah, but other than that, nothing has moved. How? The setting spray? Probably. I'm actually so proud because these brands I actually like and recommend. So if they are claiming like 12 hours plus and 24 hours plus and 16 hours plus and it's actually staying, it's freaking fabulous. Like, it's so, like, I cannot believe this is the makeup. Crazy video, crazy experiment, and I think I'm done. I'm gonna go back to sleep now, and I don't know what else to say. My brain is still processing. But anyway, that's about it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know which of these products you're interested in trying out. I'll link them in the description box. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye. I just washed my makeup and I can see a new pimple coming right here, but that's on me for wearing makeup and sleeping in it.